Oh no. Everything is a mess.
But it is the best disaster ever.
Do you want to know why? Let's find out. Shh. Kids, come here. Tomorrow is Mom's birthday.
Wow! We must make a big surprise for her.
Yes. Let's plan it now. Mom works too hard.
Great. We need a cake, some decorations, and a special gift.
I can make a warm wool hat for Mom for use in the upcoming winter.
Oh, inside. I am late for my big meeting.
Good morning, honey. Are you leaving now?
Yes, dear. Have a nice day with the kids. Bye.
Okay, team. Time to wake up. Emergency!
We are ready, Captain Dad. Let's start! Look! Colorful balloons! Let's get red, blue, and yellow! And some shiny banners, too! It looks beautiful!
What kind of cake should I make?
Don't forget strawberries for the topping, Dad.
Good catch, Tom. Mom loves strawberries. It seems they were in too much of a hurry and forgot a few important items.
Oh, wait. Stop. We forgot the most important thing.
What is it, Anna? Did we miss the candles?
No, the wool. The pink wool to knit Mom's hat.
Oh, right. The craft store is next door. Hurry up.
Where is the pink wool? Where is it?
Here it is. The last one. We are so lucky.
Thank you, Tom. You are the best brother. Okay, let's go to the market to head home.
They run back home. There is so much to do.
Tom, help me with the balloons. Anna, start your gift.
On it, Dad. This room will look amazing. I need to be fast. Knitting takes time.
How to bake a perfect birthday cake in 1 hour. Easy.
A little mistake. No problem.
Whoa! That scared me. You look funny, Tom. Keep knitting, little sister. Mom will be home soon. Oh, dear. Knitting is harder than I thought. Let me see. I can hold the wool for you. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Well, I look like a ghost now. Okay, 30 minutes in the oven. Perfect. How are the kids getting with knitting and decorating for the birthday party?
Look, Dad. It has a heart on it.
Beautiful. Mom will love it because you made it.
Dad, do you smell something strange?
Oh no! The cake! Cough, cough! It's burning!
Oh man, that looks like a giant Oreo cookies. Can we save it, Dad?
We just need to cut the black part. See? The inside is still good. Now, we cover it with cream. Add some strawberries on top. Nobody will know.
It's an artistic cake, Dad. Done! The hat is finished! It fits perfectly if you are a cat. It's for Mom, not for you, silly.
Oh. Mom's car is here. Everyone, positions. Tom, hurry up. Go turn off the lights.
Yes, let me. Whoa, whoa! Watch out! Oh no. Tom.
Too late. She is opening the door.
Hello, family. I am home.
Surprise.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh, inside. What happened here?
We wanted to make a perfect birthday for you. But everything went wrong.
I tripped and broke the decorations. And the cake is a bit burnt inside, Mom. We are sorry.
Oh, my sweet family.
You are not angry?
Angry? Of course not. This is the best surprise ever. You did all of this for me. That is what matters.
Oh, I have a special gift for you, Mom.
Wow. Did you make this, Anna?
Tom helped me too. It has a heart for you.
I love it. It is so warm and beautiful. Thank you, my angels.
Time to blow the candles, birthday girl.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mom!
It tastes amazing. The burnt smell makes it unique.
The family laughs together. What a beautiful night.
You see, friends? Sometimes things do not go perfectly. A perfect birthday isn't about a perfect cake or perfect decorations. It's about love and effort. Love your family. See you next time. Goodbye.